opposing threat to natives. People carry out widespread anti-citizenship amendment bill protests in different parts of Manipur today. Bizarre incident. RIMS ECG technician allegedly raped a minor girl patient in RIMS ECG room in the wee hours today. A solution to leadership crisis. BJP observer to visit Manipur to conclude ongoing tussle among state BJP MLAs. And curbing drug menace. 12 Assam rifles arrest a drug peddler with contraband drugs worth over 6 crore rupees in the international market at Kudengthabi checkpost. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Wide protests against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill CAP in northeast states were carried out at different parts of the state today. Women vendors of Kweramban markets, students of various schools and colleges, members of local clubs and Maira Paibi associations carried out protest demonstrations in their respective localities. Various other associations including Film Forum and AMIC also carried out human chain protests, chanting slogans against the contentious bill. Student organizations along with Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, MANPAC, under the aegis of Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NIFIP, had earlier notified about the protest. On the other hand, the central government had earlier announced about the likely passage of CAP in the upcoming winter parliament session, and even Union Home Minister Amit Shah had reiterated that the government will certainly pass the bill on various public platforms.
Amit Shah, Amadi Narendra Modi, Loine Nama, Kikabu, the Kangabadi, I call it Tamoy, the Hansen and the Karem Lavasa, and the Tuna Tokyo, Nakani, Awang, Pokamadi, Manipurian, Amato, and Asit, and Silva Sumaina, and Akan Mamo, the Kongan Changelatana, I call you Ipa, Fire Mama. We have to decide our own future. I call you a
Northeastern Lady by Yellow Missing Asiki, Mutkitaruba, Kankan, Mutkitaruba, Asigumba, Siki Kanabaki Damuktam, Northeast State Chingdam. Shebi sanaba yaro haibagi iho sida ngasi khwaram kathel sida miyam na hauriba asita nate Manipur ki district thongna mahairoi singna magi oiba school gi college gi institution singi amasung dukan gi phamba singna kathen phamba singna magi dukan gi mamang da kathel gi mamang da thorak laga asigumba 11:30 dagi asigumba clearance call ase miyam gi makeup thokne haibagi makeup thokna na ba amasung shebi gi mayok da lepi haiba khangna na bagi bel asi khangdana miyam ase yakai bani asigumba khongjang ase ngasi dagi haurga leptana changsin gani aduga matam gi oina changsin gadaba tongan ba khongjang adudi matam chana lauthok tarakani asigumba men pengna silli ba khongjang ase north east state singda shebi sanaba yaroi habigi akan mu kholaw aduni.
Students of Emmanuel English School at Yangang Pokpi, Leshemba Mahikon Kangla at Chingaren and Jamia Misbahul at 7MR Mayday of Imphal East District joined the mass protests of CAB called by Manipur People Against CAB MANPAC under Northeast Forum for Indigenous People today. Students took out rallies and formed human chains, chanting various slogans condemning the bill. Students of Manipur University also carried out protest demonstrations against CAB at the university gate today. Students of CC Higher Secondary School in Sanjenthong also carried out human chain protests in front of their school and chanted various slogans against the bill. A police team led by Imphal East SP H. Jogesh Chandra kept a strict vigil in the area to avoid any untoward incidents. Students of Universal Students Academy USA also took out human chain protests on Singjamei Road. Students of various schools and colleges in Imphal West also carried out human chain protests on Tidim Road, chanting various slogans against CAP since 11 a.m. today. Intense scuffles occurred between student protesters of Imphal College and Imphal West Police. Massive police force arrived and dispersed the agitating students towards their college campus. Students of DM College and Johnstown Higher Secondary School also joined the protest. Speaking to media, AMSU President Peter Lystrom warned that JSCC, a conglomerate of 6 student organizations of Manipur, will fully support agitation against forceful implementation of CAP in the northeast states.
Satra Mahiroi Sangstan Taruna Punzalaga Sangsala Iba Sigumlaba agitation Mahiroi Miamsina Toga Human Chen Siamduna Amadi Kangsina Chingba Kingaga Citizenship Amendment Bill Gi Mayokta Sangsala Ibasi Masina Ahubadi Sidaki Hena Makal Makagi Kongjang Akan Mamunga Sangsala Kigani Karigumba India government High Citizenship Amendment Bill Che Nafusa on the Sangsalak Nava Amani Nafusa on the past on the Honoragadi Manipur Tanatan Notice Miam Pumbada Makal Maka Shibaya Kongjambok Sangsalakani have Sachi Achepa Fidemi Aduna Yellow Frufu Mutatpa Sigumba Bilza Karigumba Nafuta Lok Pataragadi Masi Manipur Amadi Notice Miam Pumana independent body Magi Monda Lorpa decision Duna Lebak Miam Ware Organiapsa Si Masigi Paliba Lengak Amadi central government Masigi Nakunga Tamsari Apsa Mairoi Lup Taruki Motsinjaga Tamsari.
Widespread human chain protests of CAB were also carried out in various parts of Bishnupur district today. Women vendors of Moirang Market and Maira Paibis of the area staged protest meet in solidarity to the mass agitation against CAB called by Manpac. Members of Irabot Celebration Committee Irengbam and Maira Paibis jointly carried out protest demonstration at Irengbam Mamang ground. Volunteers of Oinam Apunba Maira Paibi Loop staged sit-in at Oinam Market and carried out human chain protests on Tidim Road. Volunteers of Kaino, Thongkong, Apunba Mayai Kaba Chinjak, Thingba Loop, Kaino also chanted various slogans against the bill on Tidim Road. Nambol women vendors carried out protests at Nambol Market. Students of Golab School Kaino carried out human chain protests condemning the bill. Massive police force deployed at strategic locations in the district are keeping a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident. Students and women vendors of Thawal district also joined the mass agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill called by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpac by blocking roads partially today. AMSU, Desam and MSF under the banner of Manpac led school students and women vendors in carrying out human chain protests on National Highway Imphal More Road. Protesters chanted various slogans and displayed placards against the bill. People of Jiribam district also joined the mass agitation against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill today. Manpac, Jiri branch and NIFIB jointly staged a protest meet in front of Congress Bhavan at Babupara in Jiribam. Speaking to media, convener of Manpac Jiri branch Y. Roman asserted that Manpac Jiri branch will extend full solidarity to any movement against the bill initiated by Manpac and NIFIB. Students of Diligent Public School Moirang, Standard Robert High Secondary School Kanchipur, HIM School Kakching Kuno, Eureka Academy Thongnaujam and Paul Sar School Wabagai also joined the mass protests of Citizenship Amendment Bill. Market vendors and students formed human chain and chanted various slogans against the contentious bill. Manipur People Party MPP has reiterated its stance against a forced implementation of CAP by BJP-led government. Speaking to media at the party office near Imphal Polo Ground today, MPP President Oinam Jugindro maintained that MPP is against CAP right from the start and had even submitted a memorandum condemning the bill to the Prime Minister and President in New Delhi, stating that CAP is a threat to natives of northeast states. Oinam Jugindro condemned BJP National President cum Union Home Minister Amit Shah for affirming that the contentious bill will be passed in the parliament in the near future. He termed the mass agitation against the bill initiated by NIFIB in the entire northeast region today as apt and extended full solidarity from the party.
BJP government state center the changil ibu kongjong che masimagti tasengba people gi mayokta changjil bu khongjang ne MPP na lawi karigumba leiriba government sina akoi praja na tali ba demand se masti da sum makoina tawnu ja toba akoi gi apa ma ta sum to ga di akoi di han de ju han haidan le khe ma di akoi pre major political status pok demand tor pa yai ha basi akoi thamjagrabani siga chamarana akan khongjang kaya akoi changjil la kani sine.
In a bizarre incident, a girl patient who came for ECG tests at Regional Institute for Medical Sciences, RIMS, was sexually assaulted by one hospital staff today. The victim hails from an undisclosed location in Imphal East District, while the accused rapist is 31-year-old Thokchom Suraj, son of T.H. Kula from Kasham Thong, Moirang Ningtho Leirang. Family members said that the incident occurred at around 2:30 a.m. today. Family members of the girl victim asserted that the girl was rushed to the hospital of diarrhea in the wee hours, and doctors at RIMS casualty informed to take X-ray and ECG tests of the girl patient, following which the girl patient was taken into the ECG room by Suraj, a staff in the hospital. Family members also said Suraj told the patient's mother that the process won't take long and asked her to wait outside the ECG room. However, it took almost half an hour, upon which the suspicious mother of the patient banged the door and Suraj opened the door. She found her frightened daughter in the room. Upon inquisition, it came to light that Suraj raped the patient after conducting the ECG test. Imphal West Women Police has arrested accused Suraj and has registered a case against him, and investigations are underway.
Fever tawi massage pro chakana proper height na pokolakoni iton ju phaiba lep ten haiba aina ec brakari kano do dugi do kano tongni na harapada mana abela ai lobirage la haraga mana angang de braba pura satkhie buko angang de pusangi ja kaino ai ju changi habde iche ngahatani kuiro mini manga tara khatani iche mapanda le biramu sineba kaino haris bo icha mathanda kamai changdo ai je khongka smai kan sam je mana iche changbira kano ngahatangni haraga mana thongji gamla lonjan gi buko punghai mu hel ebko maji mapan so tholok trebko thongji gangam thinbani ebko pakhat poi kari boi ma thongji hangdori ebko hangdroga ina angang ji manak da sangbajida angang je kainom ta pakhat poi kari boi tawebko ta duna kari kari lori boi ningjai ebko makphabu makhajina makhongani ji yan tharaga kari gungo posak amana chinjalakpa mali ko adum angang ji na ina hara kapi koiroi ngak tang ni hai angang ji da ka mari mata ta kano kauraga police ta report am ta on haira me ko doctor nu pa mana adu dege ai ju narasun bi ani hunga tanaraga admai tawrubane ba sigi thokdok che smain thoki bene ba sigi thokdok che.
Meanwhile, RIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar told media persons that RIMS authority will take befitted action against the culprit. He declared that the involved miscreant, Thokchom Suraj, has been terminated from the hospital, assuring to take strict measures to avoid such incident in future. Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar appealed to follow guidelines of RIMS to let a family member accompany patient for any test in the hospital.
Section makoina male healthcare providers, sita chingisi doctor, paramedics, male nurses, technicians, X-ray technicians, CT technicians, laboratory technicians, dental technicians, mayamama. Puna maksida aina appeal tawningi ramdi sigumba se patient se koi ki prescribe guideline ngi tungina ana sing bigadobani amasung aigi isanni iseni imani haina khallaga koina line bigadobani masida koina aigi sanupi oiramabdi kramain tawni ana ba kudimaksi aigi isani aigi isannupi ni aigi sini haina taraga the human touch sigalwenana patient puno pudil tobiu.
In the meantime, Kanglei Park Students Association KSA has demanded to award a befitted punishment to the culprit who raped a minor girl while taking ECG at RIMS Hospital in the wee hours today. Speaking to media on the sidelines of an inspection visit at the hospital today, KSA Secretary K.H. Sanjoy expressed disappointment at the incident. He said the people have lost faith in the hospital. Sanjoy demanded the authorities concerned to curb crimes against women and children and to award severe punishment to perpetrators.
आयन के थबक सिंह है तारे मापुंजी चुपा जेल था मना ट्रगना माके सीबी चला को पीना बगे सेल खतुना मतुंग दा मक थोक तना बाय तारे गवर्नमेंट साइड के सु इनिशिएटिव लहनिंगे ममांग तो किबा ओजा अमना माकी मामन लाइक सु ताकपी तंबीरिबा माइरो मापंदा मोलेस तौर मगिदा पुलिसना फारा मतुंग कोर्ट की जज की राय तारपदा सही ट्राइन पान फदोक पीकी बसिमक सु खोई जज के दुंग राय दुसु तारा नोक्सरी लोना मसिदा तना सबवन सलाम लेकाय दा लेबा डायनामिक कोचिंग सेंटर दा आंगा हमसु मोलेस तो किबा थदोक लेबा की पुलिसना फादुन लेरिबा ओजा दुसु मतिक चाबा माके दंदी पीना बतुसु हंगचरे
BJP central leaders will send an eminent party observer to Manipur to conclude the ongoing tussle among state BJP MLAs. A reliable source from New Delhi said that the decision was taken to send the observer was taken after separate meetings between BJP National Working President JP Nadda and General Secretary Organization BL Santosh with Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit and BJP Manipur Pradesh President Ketrimeyum Bhavananda last evening. As per the source, some BJP MLAs camping in New Delhi affirmed that the ongoing leadership tussle in the state will culminate and a new leader will be appointed once the BJP national leaders send a party observer in the state to take charge of the situation. It further said that the MLAs were absolutely certain about replacement of the state chief minister. Two individuals sustained injuries when an under-construction building collapsed at Palace compound under Porampar police station in Imphal East district today. The victims are 20-year-old MD Askar, son of MD Halim from Urup Awang Lekai, and 28-year-old MD Kisan, son of Jailamuddin from Kairao Mayai Lekai. According to Impact News sources, the mishap occurred around 10 this morning. The two individuals are undergoing treatment at Advanced Hospital. Porampar police station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Following mass protests of Citizenship Amendment Bill in various parts of the state today, Imphal West District Magistrate has prohibited assembly of 5 or more people, which is likely to turn unlawful and carrying of sticks, stones, firearms without a valid license, weapons or objects of any description which can be used as offensive weapons for a period of 2 months from today under subsection 2 of section 144 of CRPC in Imphal West District in view of likelihood of serious breach of peace and disturbance to public tranquility. District Magistrate Imphal West has also prohibited sale and bursting of the crackers in areas under its jurisdiction during Durga Puja and Lakshmi Puja celebrations. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on seizure of contraband drugs worth over 6 crore rupees in the international market by 12 Assam Rifles. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Acting on a tip-off, 12 Assam Rifles team arrested a drug peddler in possession of 3 kg 300 grams of heroin, brown sugar worth around 6 crore rupees and 20,000 World TCOs WY tablets worth around 60 lakh rupees in the international market on Imphal More Road around 7 p.m. yesterday. The miscreant is 29-year-old Pau Minlen Haukip, son of Ogtomang Haukip from Langnom village under Saitu subdivision in Senapati district. According to Impact News sources, the team arrested him during a frisking operation at Kudengtabi permanent vehicle check post. He was coming from More in a passenger vehicle and eco-van. Upon checking the vehicle, the contraband drugs were found concealed inside a sack full of onions and blanket bags. Assam Rifles have handed the seized drugs and the arrested person to More police station for further legal action. Now, Manipur arrested 3 drug peddlers in possession of heroin powder in front of Deben Maruti workshop near All India Radio Mayang Imphal in Imphal West District around 2:30 p.m. yesterday. The miscreants are 28-year-old MD Amar Khan, son of MD Abdul Salam from Utiwa Mayai Lekai, 45-year-old MD Tayaj Khan, son of late MD Azahar from Thaubal Moijing Lengoiching, and 27-year-old MD Salimuddin, son of late MD Alimuddin from Kumbi Thongthak Bora Yangbi Awang Lekai. The miscreants were carrying 550 grams of heroin powder in a smoke grey colored Maruti Brezza bearing registration number MN02 G2537. Now, police has seized the drug and the vehicle and has registered a case against the miscreants at Nab police station for further action. Earth's Day Network EDN India Northeast Diocesan Social Service Society NEDSSS Guwahati and Diocesan Social Service Society DSSS jointly organized one-day event on the theme Protect Our Species, Role of Civil Society Organization at DSSS Hall in Mantri Pukri today. Speaking at the event, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urged the present generation not to neglect the rich natural resources and variety of species nature has endowed us. He urged everyone to protect wildlife and especially those endangered species.
Our region is the most richest species region. Whatever species lost in the valley, about 50 miles or 60 miles areas of the valley, the species available in the valley is almost uniform and same as during the areas of 50-40 miles. But in the hills, every steps there is a microclimatic zone. So every step there is a different species, and even all these species which was lost and vanished from the plain area is still preserved in the hills. So I therefore request to all the Christian community and also the valley people also to know the value of the species and also to start preserving of these species.
Divisional Forest Officer and District Wildlife Warden Jiribam jointly kicked off the 64th District Level Wildlife Week observance on the theme, The Future of Wildlife is in Our Hands at Jiribam Model High School today. A public rally carrying the message of Let's Save Wildlife passed through Jiribam town on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Honorary Wildlife Warden of Jiribam District H. Rajan Kumar appeals to stop deforestation and killing of wildlife for food and commercial purposes. A troupe led by Asia's popular DJ artist Wang So-hee, commonly known as DJ Soda, has reached Imphal today. She will perform at Ultra EDM Multi-Genre Music Festival, which will be held at HVS Ground in Patsoi tomorrow at 4 p.m. Speaking to media at Classic Grunt today, DJ Soda expressed happiness that her fans in Manipur has requested her to perform in the state. She also stated that she pursued DJing as she loved hip-hop music since her childhood. Y2 Events produced a music festival managed by Seven Sisters Entertainment under Green Manipur Mission, Government of Manipur.
제가 공연이 끝난 뒤에 런치 위드 소다 이벤트가 있어요. 그래서 그 뽑힌 팬분이랑 같이 전통 음식을 먹고 싶어요.
Because she's having a lunch with soda contents through Instagram, so it's like we're just choosing one fan from her Instagram through looking at the comments. So we would like to pick one fan, and then she'd like to have some lunch with the fan at the traditional food restaurant.
힙합 음악을 엄청 좋아했었어요.
So the reason why she's been starting is because she really loved to listen hip hop since she was young. And then the music just made her feel comfortable, and it was another that she feels comfortable, happy, and then
Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, Project Director K. Devadatta inaugurated an organic retail outlet named Lucky Superstore at Lamlong Market today. Speaking on the occasion, K. Devadatta stated that the outlet was opened under the initiative of MOMA to provide marketing facility to organic farmers of both hills and valley region of Manipur. He assured that MOMA will open more organic outlets in other parts of the state. Proprietor of the newly opened store in Lakhia said organic vegetables as well as other locally manufactured items will be made available at reasonable rates in the outlet.
Organic product yauba khoigi makhada promote toba organic product Maira fruits Rima foods organic Manipur gi ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯗ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯂꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯅꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯁꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯦꯛ ꯏꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯍꯟ
Prabia Emporium, a clothing store which sells cultural attires of Manipur, has launched paper bags with an aim to reduce plastic pollution. Owner of the Emporium, Urit Kinbam, Prabia staffs and customers attended the launch held at the showroom located at Singjamay Chingamathak.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯕꯦꯒꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯅꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯟꯊꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯦ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯕꯦꯒ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯐꯤꯖꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒ ꯁꯤꯔꯣꯏꯒꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯞꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯕꯤꯌꯥ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯒꯣꯁꯤꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ.
Week-long Swachhta Hi Seva campaign organized by Southern Rural Development Organization at Wangu Gram Panchayat since September 26th concluded today. Cleanest wards of the GP were felicitated at the event. Attendees resolved to cooperate in curbing usage of single-use plastics on the occasion. Molnoi Area Youth Union Mayu held a 4th Mayu Chawang Golse 2019 annual sports meet at Kulmi ground of Palel's Molnoi area in Chandel district today. Vice Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandel S. Tongpao Mate, Custom and Culture Secretary of Kuki in P. Manipur C. Lunthang Mate and Chairman Molnoi Area Welfare Council Lunmang Haukip graced the inaugural event. Various sports items will be held in the sports meet held ahead of Chawang Kut Festival. Yas and Water Resources Minister Letpao Haukip kicked off Keng Joy Sports Cum Pre-Kut Celebration 2019 at Keng Joy Village in Chandel district yesterday. Kuki Students Organization KSO Keng Joy blog organizer for the festival. Kuki indigenous cultural items and sports events will be showcased during the festival. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Opposing threat to natives, people carry out widespread anti-citizenship amendment bill protests in different parts of Manipur today. Bizarre incident. RIMS ECG technician allegedly rapes a minor girl patient in RIMS ECG room in the wee hours today. A solution to leadership crisis. BJP observer to visit Manipur to conclude ongoing tussle among state BJP MLAs. And curbing drug menace. 12 Assam Rifles arrest a drug peddler with contraband drugs worth over 6 crore rupees in the international market at Kudengthabi checkpost.